Hi, everyone. Welcome to Learn with Anjali, your one-stop destination to learn and grow. Today, I have an exciting job opportunity to share with all of you. IBM is hiring for the role of Associate System Engineer for the 2024 batch. If you're looking to start your career in one of the most reputed organizations in the world, this could be your chance. This position is open to BTech, MTech, MSc, and MCA graduates in computer science, IT, and related branches. You must have a minimum of 60% or a 6.0 CGPA throughout your academics, and remember, the calculation includes all subjects, even electives. The good news is that this role welcomes freshers with no prior experience required. It's perfect for anyone who is just starting out and is passionate about programming and problem solving. Speaking of skills, IBM is looking for candidates proficient in programming languages like Java, C++, Python, or Node.js, along with a good understanding of the software development lifecycle. Additionally, strong analytical, problem-solving, and communication skills will help you stand out during the selection process. This role involves working in IBM Consulting's client innovation centers, where you'll be part of the complete software development lifecycle, right from design and development to testing and deployment. You'll have the opportunity to work with cutting-edge technologies and contribute to high-performing, scalable applications. Locations for this position are spread across India, including cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, and more, so you can choose a location that suits you best. If you meet the eligibility criteria and are interested, make sure to apply as soon as possible. The link to the application is available in the description below, so don't miss this chance to join IBM and kickstart your career with a global leader in technology and innovation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Anjali. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing,